rising through the ranks, even Ghana Football Association, vice president. It is a want to mean run. I mean, or Ghana Football Man's are okay to Ubum. And it's a want to mean yet. We are law abiding people. We will make sure that judicial process, we will go through it. Because I say, Sanka, and yes, you get discipline and any Canadian Calbert Sabasa or GFA secretariat or because bodyguards on a Nanka. Yes, you bet me I react, but then you make sure say I know Mekasa, me at from the need say was so much a quine to me then a file and appeal, and indeed, or at the latter part, Omu AJ Mumafi, yet to me filing successfully. I actually must a lawyer that Pasunin and Rantiano, a bear making sure say almost school no more, no member swab and fast. Because you cannot be called to the bar all these years, sending a law profession next year. Then you get opportunity at the Ghana Football Association. No go money over all these years. Lawyers are muba GFA all the time. You go money master. Omudia some or the caucus and what could make me accounting numerous of these cases. Excessive Muslim ranity asset. What I say, so we are hoping the lawyer Japasu will save the image of the law profession and make sure so the man who cried in Adedi. Now what the Omankasa status no? Why interpreting ye now what to me? A year out bogus a disqualification verdict yet to me I campaign and hot so now yet to me I rescue a Ghana football.
Let's to answer a memoir corner. What will be your next line of action? Say a day appeal no court. Na mpenyin forecast say enyina so bia entino omo first verdict na enyina. What will be your next line of action?
Yes, we are thinking about what will go or what will go right, not what will go wrong. That is the position of the team now. What will go right and not what will go wrong. If we are not even thinking about that, say there will be because we believe Rano wasn't and share the atmosphere. Even those one can say you when some way campaign your market chronic catchers and no, this is not right. This is not right. So you understand. We know people on my friend and where they are and they say share story a breaky said this is what is going on. What is this? Let's contest and win because people think and this is people are almost campaign the market all the time. It's in tough one and the other. One contest in every winning. No one will say yes. What would you but what you are doing in there, I come up with a woman. You understand? So we are hopeful that the appeals committee, everyone will cry in Adedi. So we are not thinking about appeals committee needs to be share and running no running. No, I don't think so.
Okay, in so brainity unye times maminja umuna enim say we know a running story ntino edane ko nyina bibia piem a ye betwa asen abe ona afin so yani wo edin comment list o nwumere ma na wase
me da se bebe.
All right, ntino list o mensa ono part of George Akwestia Free ni team no ana ono so amaye hu ni amaye cost from the camp of George Free unum say last week and the Ghana Football Association elections committee and so it's made verdict by say George Akwestia Free disqualify from the upcoming elections. And you do between Kate Edwin Simon Okreku Ejina is answering in Kata Semno Nyame Buma Ankoye. But George Free team and then the lawyers at me are filing for an appeal. The Ghana Football Association Elections Committee war almost shared me say the appeals committee. I bet say na fin so no near dano omodi ato baby da regulations so no send ye kano omunyina so no mo fanye dwomo mpe watimi wakame bia we no say showdown so I say elections into your showdown na man for etumi have a run of their money na say niam konkan ademo mo betumi agina otisia na ato so about win ya no win but also that guns so no efe so feel say emra no ye di adwuma so one file ni ye di a ye be disqualify enye ye pe enye deliberate na mum na emra no se na emra na ka no anya ye be ye adwuma ye be twa na ye wuram na fe so yetuma din command a series of interviews ye be ye e ha no but that's about better say na mabisa ba akumienu I found we said trending issues buy exclusives no fie nsam no and so no transfers no Ghana players bebre adwane kwa manane bebre Trying to no ni Super.
Super Jaso.
Yes.
Anytime.
Anytime, sir.
And this I say anytime.
Yes,
now
Ghana
Super.
Football, say
Can be say but read the way mam na me fire onipa. General read mame.
And here
yes, a producer general me fire onipa is here. One the communication about the Ghana Football Association.
Yeah, Henry Asante
Chum. Okay, Super. Read mam na me fire no 1 2 ni
Henry Asante Chum.
Okay, yes.
I say the media practitioners is hereby informed to come along with their station ID cards and authority letters signed by an editor or manager to be granted access to the media center for the international friendly between Ghana and Liberia. The game, which is scheduled for 4 p.m. kickoff, will be played at the Accra Sports Stadium on Tuesday, September 12th, 2023. Media location: Television 1, Radio 1, Print / Online 1. There will be a media stand at the gate to facilitate the process. GFA Communications.
Super. I'm serious. The Ghana Football Association, the communication. Sorry to say, in quotes, on you serious. Send me network right away. So which means our partner saying I'm not much na Ghana ne a Liberia game no. A friendly game and central for your bar. O general manager be sign out kutakra now do station idea about 7 years send him Super.
Aden.
Nya send him because omo media for more chroma. They don't respect in quotes. I say Jumana is here and I say Zuba and central for no omumbuye omo fire nya hwe. Nyansa nim nyansa enim say yebe kutakra so Zuba yebe kutakra say
yeah so manager ntro krata na on sign
na station ID kuta say na dia ba o dia be gina gate answer no we what's it
station ID didn't say yeah
Super which means say it seems like the Ghana Football Association for pay for Oma fa media ne say okay media ne adwuma bia ene de aye de omeba stadium ba begu enti yemfa kwan bi so a at least ye betumi nya media group kakra bi ama behwe game no but when ye international game ya ye be ka say FIFA World Cup game ye bo ye CAF competition enti de aye de I say ye bibina ye friendly game. Just a friendly game.
Among say anka the release by Antama who apply for accreditation mum.
Yes, and no be good. But me Super the enchiro bo I show respect and say o manager and sign krata ten akuta krata and say na fa a station ID count. Super no na me ment ya.
Yes, yeah mamu ram gate no hono no. Na inspect o letter no. Ansa na wawuram.
Super ekroma ye serious.
Liberia, Ghana ne
Liberia. Enya
they be American. Draw for this I say ma you better tonight station I
run a commentary. Obian to me here.
Not even comedy, normal program. I'm on for bed and Black Stars. Black Stars and you'll be there. You may feel in here.
Super Sabi I'm on family phone in your
and to Black Stars and Yanidia.
On funny Panyashi Kroma.
About 2 Black Stars, no?
It's a Edmund film or Koye.
Who is a journalist?
On kind to say, on Sube Fiswa Mubiaba. Super. Me who young fa.
Matista players in we Ghana Kwabru.
Yes. Me no ye you maybe na Abranti BM. So ka nkofu play. Oh BM. Yes. So body pa ko Iraq.
Why?
Iraq baba ma ko baba den baba ma. Baba ma ko Iraq. Super gidi.
Okay then.
Super Iraq onya bo na okobo. Okobo
Iraq.
Black Stars game. Share another letter ba. Super Chrome.
I was today.
Nye ticket un sense.
F no. Say me say communication team no monye serious. I'm on serious, you know.
Super. Yambo just because in the interviews or Alaji fire me. Alaji fire more for so. Some friend Alaji jina phone so no ye call. Into one picking a later on Alaji be frame no didn't come. And I'm say Alaji, want to talk to you about David Opan Frane. I don't say yes. I say Alaji in the evening. Honestly, if I'm quite the same feel.
Inshallah, you grusa. I can't do anything.
Yes.
Yes. You know, I had a show so you to so near Becca. Alaji Becca. David upon our friend in some hardring.
Super Manyan to say ye the allergy call a status committee. Ricky Moa.
Plan management.
Yes, in the management. Oh, Manyan to say the manager no oba or Bruni. And he or share it do now nipa manko to a house na. Nya brenti. Suba in the back on call because papa near call. House of folk. Only over the weekend, Yamiaduma, Friday omni out to you. Yes, na Miani Tiasa Yamia to Mochina Wednesday, and Mochina team need to Effie and Kai. Elko Temali. On person could do it them.
Had to folk.
Super.
That's how Fioma is serious.
Superman is serious. And yes, Oma is serious Ankasa. Has. And what that? Has the my there. What's this banana?
I catch them say, Mom, league in here and start here. Go for you.
Yeah, na me who fan na.
Mom, sir. Mom, season and start here. And you know, Mom was I say season is started. Then go ya. You show Kruma.
Nyame adoma chiro ometu na oma kopie motemali nti omkoye we na Friday omo pese omeko Wednesday omeko Thursday na de dabi omo court na top court na no benya preparation aye yazanti super we ne ya de poni ani e be was ya pese ya tu no jaso pa Henry Asante Chum yeslemo the Ghana Football Association adwuma no mo ye ne enka so omo nya de omo ya de but in central form wo kromo fa ye nya bibi kakra. Because super, dano yane Nkrofo Central Africa Public. Ewo Kumase, Oman fan Central fan ye she. So to say, edi Black Stars game and you say, and Central for Okroma school I almost 2 years, 3 years no. So to say ye kwane kwa. Because only says in Central ni kutani accreditation. Kutane card, no chile. Maybe say GFA last season accreditation omo ye ne saying. See the be the Ghana Premier League plan na say crucial matches you betu mi akọ.
She ka say mo apply.
Super apply it. Tio super apply it. Into betimi aka say Ekroma ni Central for more Ghana ni ano and betumi enya accreditation you bia but at least Nkrofo menya no also udu on now the bibi che say this station abi feedback but say nti also more rem. Super in Central for Gina Gate almost about 3:30 and so more kwakwa Black Stars commentary. Which means a Kroma no fan Central for Nyashi.
Nan Central for ni biti bi mo te popular stand.
Yes.
Instead of media stand.
Because
ana mo ye commentary.
Opentem akwa report e the amani station. Na the station na say say na ekọ. Enti dey also okotu 26 no got na popular stand. Okotu no mo be boa no. Super. Odi stand go so e be kon kakran because e Kroma no mo say unipa trotro ndi papa ni abre yes obetuja enti yanka chetie for say aba we no enye dabi tutu jegu pemuka
kan ya
yes
penim
pemuka
ban samne sane yatie no kan
yes
ya kuanim
de so bu ni anu aka
waka nyatem didie
dabi
nti I don't know but tell you can David upon a fan come on ni management ni abre
yes so many abre
say akwara no sane akem fight for man nko hat to folk no Abrante ni abre Abrante ni ababa no prepare bam but Ghana Black Stars a china game ho
so ba china game ho Black Stars yan form nsuo ya come sem sample TV ni game yan come asem ye o yan fansuo super Black Stars o ma qualify wie e yan ni say den Black Stars will qualify for the AFCON but last time because last time yan qualify was is it 2004 Tunisia ni yan to qualify but Edian Black Stars will qualify. China Liberia show you show mo super and said that you news sir. But at least no, that was it. Phones who watching Black Stars game. But what share your other sporting disciplines now? Super one amputee. Yan form in share. A male football kruma super in share. Down the president of the Ghana Football Association. Near ball Women's Premier League will Kumasi Barra Sporting. Obepio for the first time. And Commodore Betu Johnny said this is the first time Obabeshe Women's Premier League. So which means your other leagues say Okromani and Sada and Valunisa and fancy Black Stars and I said the Ghana Premier League. So Black Stars super kasi Black Stars ye be kasa de bia we will say it. Some ye good one ye good still na Black Stars no. Ye don't super mama ye na ye yempia we na yan hwede e be fima because Abdul Salam Yakubu ono so so obekasa because me na me di komazia list wo kasa no amanfu monitor show no
amanfu ani abre
yes amanfu monitor
amanfu se keto kreku aso ya autocratic leader
so ba say we am no na wo na me catch us say Nkrofo na the way ko but we no mo de ko no I say gates na no body guys na nyama ya na list wo e kadwe nkatukwa besi so ba tukwa besi because obese okon oppose one and now ba kwatri say obese contest na at least no Emma Edman air very guy now ma disqualify no why appeal munja no phantom ni ahwehwe appeal na why ebe fa na asem emfa so why will you tell your body guys don't mean say you're the president of the Ghana Football Association e ka say oh and I say and Azuba one I got and converse memo kwan at that moment no
editorial beba you be wura sansem no mo
okay.
Na ya share press release and you know Abba from the team and the camp of George Akwesi free Lusto Abrobro so ama yehu niama ewomu enyina and according to articles no any FNO statutes no send a stating if the Ghana Football Association equity article 13 clause 2I ni amudi gina so a amudi disqualify George Akwesi free nyere be wuram na ya hwese ne amra no eka erefa disqualification you know and so no atumi ede aba eno ho and trending stories kakra fie me so am yehu say ede no baba ma
Iraq yes
Iraq na and then so no Black Star come na media ma left back
no yes Abrante is it Fatal
Hamidu
yes Hamidu yes
uremo na uremo na say Abrante na so di asakakra
yes
on Abrante friend no
Fatal Shako ni soa
anu soa
yes
there so mo di asakakra now am the world coming to the team
ta mamre
the day you na lead this idea no Andre ha yo he wa kire so leader okasa obi ankasa
oh yes
suba they dey kaso obi ankasa
dabi
they do we no mo dey so my friend everybody keep quiet so why din they don't know a leader
oh yes
leader
ye nya no ti on mo kra na obe kire say yes e beboa
enti ano so enkomo ano no Papa Fresh wa
yes
Papa Fresh betuja Samson asini on YouTube and so wa ha
still
on yes George Akwesi free and some no ntumi disqualify obi asa keke mra no sesen ni nyira se yehu ye hwe se enzabeka amanfo from GF no so mo stand no ama yehu but at the meantime no yensa nyanka obi ayo bum na mo mfa enti ano so ano Abdul Salam Yakubu Bekasa George owura ne din enso no area Alhaji Karim Musa so Bekasa dia fa David Opona fani ede no ho enti no but join your live on Facebook for mo mfa madwen kire no emfa emra mo mfa Facebook wo emfa mra sanso na WhatsApp ne SMS messages no owa now dia ba 0551 667755 0551 667755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 0205 818 messages no say SMS say WhatsApp messages for na fin so no fabra na yindi nkomo emfamfa Ghana ye sports no ho amputi team no atime win trophy eno ada enso na Paralympic Games football no enso na atime dia ba Ghana bra mo ne Morocco enso no atime ede a ball eni ewo na say nigisem adema Ghana football Papa Fresh my mo akwa ba uwom
ejo so eke
se bibia di da din
ya me adum bibia hye yie
anyumre bibia eboko
anyumre bibia akoyie eke na ye ni abre o se ye ma Ghana football emra no e kire no o se no ene ye de tudwa eke sa pepe mo bia hunu obia na se mo bia mo obi nye se ono oni to me bia Ghana football mu ana se ono eka enya de ebeti se ne yete pepe penti na enne anyumre ye da program ye di e de akire wiase ama nsa nyina esan se Ghana football e wo sumu ache eke Ghana football aka sumu ache e wo se BBC ana abri nyina ye ka nia oni bi asem e wo se ye ka ne ha esan se Ghana football eyemra adwuma bie wo kromu a eyemra ne ye de ye na enkoba se obakofo interest nti na che se ye ka ebinum so ahye because bibia mu e wo se nya competition na wom anye sa no kre anase mpo nkuntabu emma sa adwuma num oti ase nti na nyimre ya tena se eke ye ka ne pepepe se ne ye tie ha ye tutuja agu na nyimre ye ka no nsaw no pepepe se ne ye tie Ghana football emrano yesesen obi ekogina for abato anase okodi president Ediama Efe na ehom na ase den anaso ye mistake on the forms mu nso a eno so emrano sesen e wo se ema na konya na osiesie that mistake na ase because emre bi atwam a ye hu bebre a nipa bebre ekogina for election ye mo akonya amom siesie omon krata esa kogina e but ene den na asesa e wo ye ball num eti eke na nyimbre ye ka no pepepe
okay I know Papa Fresh senior
ele
yeah say bibia di dem
what you asking aye biem bibia de dem kama eke yɛde kan ka kyerɛ mu sɛ we say sɛ abofra ma ne ma me na no so bentu ampa no to da nti sɛ GF fu ayɛ wadwen sɛ wo ma kurum ho anwu a yɛn so yɛ mo wo ho ntɔ wo
but o ze mra na wa apply
eke sɛ mra ne ho asɛm ne yɛka because sɛ mra ne sɛ edi oni pass mercy yɛn hu sɛ mra ne edi no ana sɛ wo pɛ sɛ wo yɛ kuntuna sɛ yɛ bɛ kyerɛ sɛ da bi nti ma wo yɛ kuntuna sɛ eke ɛsɛ nneɛma bi akɔso atwam a yɛn na yɛka ho asɛm but ayɛ sɛ GF ayɛ catch nso ba the same ade kore na ɔyɛ eke because ne yɛ nim sɛ emiri bi du ya ɛwɔ Ghana Football Association na wɔn mpere obi contest obi yɛka ho asɛm saa na cat ka ho bi na ɔyɛ part of one wɔka ho asɛm sɛ den gyina mo obi contest o but edu ne mmerɛ so na eke the same thing as happen na mmerɛ ne ma ho kwan ana adenti na on prince obi de obe contest just one term
some prince on cast obi nkwa
okay
George akwese free akofa forms wa ma kwan but the new forms no nsam na aba niama nkoye it was we general so dey disqualify
ege wa just disqualify ma we say me wo kwan say me ya appeal and then na deadline twam ene na twam nti ade na twam na me de me fa ba say me wuram on pese ma ba 10 de me fa de wo na ya kwa asem no so it means say bibi wo usuro niama bi koso so I say because who should say in case you makwana obi be contest wa ni way you wash form because anya sa na nka wore nkoka nkyere nkrofu so megina gate anu a won prema nkrofu nwurem why because ne na so ne time na wode olifal ne na etwam pe anu anen enti ade nti na makwa no nwurem it means you utachi unka nko e beka se wokan eke because na yo panyene o so panyene o tena fie ma mo frawe na nka wo bu na nka fu okan obi
okay
nti sɛ wo yɛ ɔpanyin na sɛ wo te fie na sɛ mofra yɛ ade bi na nya wo kɔ na sɛ open na jo bi na munya na mo yɛ mo ma ne kwan no mmerem cause every year part of Ghana football Ghana football yɛ ba ko fodi o but ayɛ sɛ Ghana ha no sɛ yɛ prayer ban ne yɛ de ma won wi a na sɛ tintin trinity yɛ ne yɛ bɛ kan kwan na bɛ yɛ adwuma but sɛ yɛ ma kwan ma sa de yɛ adwuma yɛke
okay yɛ bɛbam abrepam na yɛ bɛ discuss sansam no but ma men ka sɛ nwumre obebo nsuo dia Verna water salt ase Verna water na nyina no ye nunum bi e ofia na Verna water nsuo a nyamenuro ewo ma onum a eboa amane no onso no onipadua na toso ye se open nsuo anom se ye wedding no ye party ye se gathering bia wo ye na benum nsuo a na men kan for Verna water enso no emfa ma na se wanonum amane amanso no atumi ai kama ade ama otu akwara di a so be so akwara nanum kura na fa Verna water fa so na no na da achi akwara no so no na no nte nye kama pa enso no emfama nso wura mo ba bia provision shop emfa ba bia na bia Ghana afa nan no obenya bi enso no etimato na se bibia ai kama ade ama na o to Verna no enye se o to ne keke sika no ne mfa so a Verna nya no eni ye de sesa manfo brabo so ti ase ye de be sesa manfo brabo na se brabo na ko yi enso no atumi ade ama mo tuba no nsuo na beto nsuo dia enwa enso ene ye Verna water omo ana American for enso no atumi ade ama sound so na 1x bet yes ene bet no enso no atumi aba enye bet inside bia na yekọ enso no ekotwa bet sati asenti ne no ubetwa bet na ubedi na wanya cash out in term dia enwa ene 1x bet ni anza wanya 18 years for phone no download the 1x bet app no na fin so no register now make depositor ya ma 100% bonus now so no watumi e di dwuma no na se niam konkan enso no atumi e di amawo enso no dwumare no so nti 1x bet dia no na nei boys ni twaba fresh boys no 1x bet na dia amon fani agro bind 10% also no so ne ya euro su ekoso no boys na no am anu mawura ma amon so no etwa enso no di ni sa mamen kan fo tontina 74 T74 me say ubanum tontina na say eboa ama new system no so etimi agina ne nan so sanso na eye emana candidates say ha mo no tie oyo pa na candidates ajewa bo so a me kanfo tontina 74 untumi nkan wa twanisia T74 enso no etimi dia ma friend obinam kroba binam krom yesiana sister candy o ya so oje fans amanfo di wo fe candidate se but omu se ne o meka kire dia fro sister candy sana na atwe wadwen akosi so na se bibia ide kama enso dia want bobo T74 ni bi na emma no nso prostate aje wabo so prostate nti be ma adwon so na mu apa mienu o se o da chime wonta maza o wonta o ade na age be ma na boso intene no o dwonso kura be ko na be ma kem o do kem dwonso no kem da bi unya T74 ni bi no ma ano so ebe boa na ma bibia ai kama emma na abdominal pains wa ya se be wa ubu nsa obi abeten ka se bosome na asom da bi ensem fatao e so onum T74 ya ano so no etimi eboa eba no wakoma eno mre bo na bon by fibro na ajiwa boso COVID-19 o recover unya an immune booster T74 no enso no ebeboa mo a osa agimu yefunu afa no mo nom T74 ni bi na eno so ebeboa mo ama bibia etimi aye kama gonorrhea emema wakote dia sha ho maza memfare nom T74 na enyi gonorrhea no emfamfiri ho enso no emfa emao obenu bi ato wuro mo pharmacy shop ene chemical bar shops ni nyina na abewuram na afi so no wanya bi aye den ato anom na ahoden aba opebi atu aton so a frɛ 0246 073 498 0246 073 498 and 0501 628 931 0501 628 931 na fin so no oni tontina 74 mpanyifo enso no entumi endi nkomo omo no mukura emu anwumre a yenso no yeba be di nkomo enso no ewofia na ebetwa nkomo cheche na se na be prepare saka bejafo a omo so no yatumi ede o mato so edi nkomo mame wura mo papa fresh so nansem bi bobo fia manane ba kwekwan awa manane na emra fie medi sa fie nkomo no popo ba nkomo apa na yesi popo ba ya testing no positive of doping yes akwana kofa nrobone nrobi akwa ni peduani mu a ensem fata se ko ni peduani mu tiene no likely sa brantia no yebetuma twena so pa bo no yebetuma man be 1 year ban enso wo ho ipirane ade tete abrantia ne dada asane ni doping so no wetuma test positive san komo no enso fresh uramu popo ba issues no
I think say yaro and me feel for Puba because you know nim saying interquesi between one nunu aberima and enoko fan say bebre by no achi ye nim Puba epra since last season or join the Juventus team no o share epra Puba epra since last season I think say na idea back one o share talent na Puba ewo before so be fi Juventus adwane Manchester United talent and Puba won na idea back one here can say the whole you are saying you permit for the some performance anymore and you can't Puba at the count but unfortunately for him the near man team and cause after so journey Juventus back and April ebe setting and I think say o share into quite between on ninu aberima niesi ya Puba enam so Ipra Edukru Puba and we asan back and I think say very bad and story back when Rama Mira who be bready ama Puba akwe say interview Puba akwe and the abetu just say one tree and Puba ejai football crown and course I think say a very bad Ediama Puba because Osha talent and a branch and a wa ni nyina eka midfielders we are seeing na performance e was true ye midfielders abetwam ni currently more na Puba performance e was true ne Sadi akotuna things very bad edema Puba but ye hope say news e buy talking about say ono edwin wana so susu sample of the football career nyina beba na wi because onyi yesa just 30 and we the bad things say very bad at the Puba so and you hope say in phone in the back asa obenya psychologist obetimi abona cycle because it do this stage more times than any my day etimi ekun etia player and o share news background say for now they are suspending ewo football mu anya de Puba betimi esi account say mpanfo betimi ayanhwehwemu nyina awia hu sampa odifo ewo sa draga otimi ekoteki ya Sadi tesi bebre ema footballers but akwe problem e dey amom because ebi ana wonu maduro no wadwen enu se aduro no yade baako a etia ball emra no and Nubi and two players be brain and the Union Abeka Andrew Onana or them where the Manchester United. Nanu ye be eto no after say ono so ekonuma drubia and ono so na adwin nyina and say e draw or the key on the pains be but unfortunately na draw no eka doping substances are man kwama football as a footballer no betimi so and I think say o share news e background say Pogba etimi differ one year na bia 2 years equal 4 years and a very bad and no na ma as a stories bi abo ba say interview Pogba kwa na nyumre onu susu and as odwen po say ball no cry ba bia du no ipra hand dada and we asan be county or the ball nyina be ba na wie but I think say a yaro ho and every football fan bia ebe ne ya say sad ye two players no and we hope say mpanfo be per crime foforo bi so no more team they are dealing with this substances because ebi a uti kra pa na akofa drobia ebi ana akofa problem e dey bro so I think say very bad news e ma football and as Pogba as a whole no wo hwe ekwan a oni nnuan tokwa ne na asefo any price abe set in ne akoba se wasan kofa druboni a enu kwan so offer so I think say yeah we should very well say bia results ne be ba no na bia ankwaya de kese bia na bia as time goes on I say ewe ye anim no betimi anya kwanya bia mu abesi akan ewo e de ama Juventus and I say team bia obekwa akopie mu eke.
All right, and I Papa fresh on Paul Pogba issues are able ba and then you may tested positive for doping and likely say a brand so such a bit me call area man no say Papa fresh kind of brand bit match na so 2 years bit man ban from 2 years but a brand no so no Adrian Jones then e mo twuma so 2 years then me fan retire preko na company baby and tina but so sad say Paul Pogba FAC sa eniama we nyina enso no ewo ho issues no de Boba family no am say brepam am release statement area fa Paul Pogba enso no enho nti enkomo no enso no senior ka crown Paul Pogba
ebasa sani yetete no say eyampa na wokom no hu say eyampa be ha wadwene because o hwe Paul Pogba tanko starting the football ball about Juventus or baby or Man U or some call back to Juventus we say na your expectation kesepa Emmanuel I will make for that could ball I will say Pogba ayo bi oni ball but we say football need be bia na prayer at West na akofa asema ba intini say Pogba the way I na say you good player na Sadi Yakoba no ebetima ba say na wan said ankofa ebi na aduru bi okono me because we say prayer na ehye no edoso ti mo na wo mema ma wondru ni ana wo wondru na wo system no say den edandan intini ebetima ba say bia no na bia ba kopio mti say anya sa na o said akofa ankasa dia na be asem because say BBC wo ma na say na member ni mojema also prove say no ebi ya edu na me fine na be kwa yes anya sa na what testing okay when say papa so ko fight sa dopi aduru no say no ma de eke ba ko fast ma because it means obi a upre na ball na nkasa so na say wutimi mbo na wasi akọ fa aduru a be say ma suspension a be ko bia be 2 years na tiri eke very sad say Pogba ending no e be ko sa that way no because he na expect say Pogba be retire now but because of say Sanya LCC na Makuba ko retire eke na be sad am football because expect say the kind of caliber of Pogba baller obono and the way fans edi na echi ni ade na obe retire at the age of this time eke be style and no retire because of player we player because of say we got test positive for doping na ma woman in sanction got na fie na because of any no say na pay we say any guasen say okay on fata okay ba di say no more ban dem na me ko fie got na fie player kono eke e ba sa e be ya reho because expect say emfi those kind of players because you know me say they are legends of football nimpa abofra ahwe won so so eke e be very sad for Pogba say obe end career in that way.
Okay, I know quick one our man na ba be try ho aba e ba na yawuram nsam a wo fie no yawuram na yadi enkomo area fam na yatumi ne Abdulsalam Yakubu enso no atmi adi nkomo e wo ntino ma enkware nkwaje aboafo nkra to ye pa na afei yɛwura nsɛm no mu proper fisam no yɛtumi adi mu nkɔmmɔ.
1xBet jackpot na landio alande na watch bia na chedio yenya ni so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so na obetumi dinkuni register with 1xbet.com.gh na use promo code jackpot Ghana na twa wo bet 1xBet ye nkunim die ho safo 1xBet who send kunimdifo gambling ho atru ntitwa ne wahwe ye nyema wa wundi mfie duwo gaming commissioner Jinka to we atum.
Me pane ne de me adma miskin say Black Sports J menim boss na me read den so aye basa wager me areho any adwendwe kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of product mam glutathione ne collagen component a ewum ne siesie honam no etiani na mane ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenhia wamma me read de aye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu.
Fufuo Festival Jack for how you know to baby na yen copy pono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 ekwapo kwapim odurano for the first time Okuma Edi Fufuo Festival no Edi bro okwapman nyina ebeye the style bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumade nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animo a ekwapim on the 1st of October 2023 ebrano anopa no watwe till you drop bibiani na pese bia woni mpanyifo twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand na wankata do ton ne ma bia betimi ne mpanyifo twetwe nkomo ewo 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bramie ni fufuo style bia
All right, enti yensa ma wakwaba enfamra Okuma 97.1 anwumre on air to Jago Sports no ye wuram na afi so no ye de nsam no atimi ade abrɛ ewa ye ba be wuram na ye de nkomo which are the kind of treatment afi no ade ma George Akwesi free na ana which response eye ni team no atimi ade abana which se efata Ghana football se efata se sansam no etumi ekoso ana ni nyina no ye be di wewuram ye di nkomo ewa senior di to asanso na papa fresh enso na but my main can release and you know George Akwesi free in the camp no area banti zigi say release na ready abetumi dey to Facebook ho na amanfo no enso no atimi ahwe bi enso no edi afuro but my main can from say 7 September 2023 for immediate release. I extend warm compliments to all members of our football fraternity and all Ghanaians. On Wednesday, September 8, 2023, at about 5:19 p.m., I received the decision of the Elections Committee, EC, of the Ghana Football Association, dated August, dated August 28, 2023, via email, which said decision indicated that I did not meet the requirement to contest the position of the president, rendering my application to contest for the position of president of the Ghana Football Association unsuccessful. I have since received several calls from well wishers inquiring my next steps. Although I respect the EC, I am very much dissatisfied with their decision, and I have therefore referred the matter to my legal team to take the necessary steps to overturn this decision. I have always believed in operating within the legal remits, lay down procedure and processes, and would therefore urge all my supporters, followers, and football lovers to remain calm and refrain from any act that may mar our beautiful football culture. Let me take this opportunity to assure everybody that Operation Rescue Ghana Football is still on course, and that we shall use all that our disposable all our disposal to ensure that my candidature for the 2023 GFE presidential election shall be restored. For the vision is yet for an appointment time, but at the end it will speak and it will not lie. Though it tarries, wait for it because it will surely come. Habakkuk 2 verses 3. There's a question free and so on. Ade nyamesam kakra eta echiri win. Ye George akwesi free ensa ena sha asie enso no ewo ha. Na mama ya tia says appeal no de omatima file ewo abrepam. Amusu betumi aye edimu nkomo. Senior mama sha asem fam free wo.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, George akwesi free nsam no. And the response
Ege we say George we say nsam no ya kan asem sa efi me ya sha ase na ye kan asem the way a what ye kan asem eke how na abato ne lekoso how contest lekoso the way a to abano the way a sha ase ni po ekwa ase de eke ni nyina ya de bia na ye kan asem because from the start ye kan see how all to proceed to abano ensisi so ye enkwa ni sa na ese ekono because ni say everything na yet to about 2 feet the district level ya ko regionals and ya ko regionals na regionals then everyone ya ko national but we are say ya ko 2 national dey san abase ni ye kan wa say that's the reason here court alaji kusa dey won go the echo court no it means say nyama enkoye ogin eke answer na ye ba be sia nominees a we qualify anas we be contest for the position you know say ye nipa 2 per George free and ye owura ket we nipa 2 nipa say we contest ago tanko ya be su e be do that we file case and say disciplinary committee ma ye ti ase say akuma went to me and pass it the criteria and I say criteria what do we woman is saying the unfano because we say unya ni pa be the ebesin sayama say ni pa ebesin say say obey directors of the football and I say obey administrator and I say obey secretary e wo team kuya oni ba akono wo no say say ni ade 3 we na we say oni ba akoba sayama no o mu bi because onye obi o secretary no ye director of football ma say no ye manager onu kwan so sign but ye woman dey tia say obi kwa sign ya e ma no a na sa nipa no onye part of sa team no wo mu no on sign onye signature sign on sign obi on sign hwum but omane kweden ekwasa man because of that you know one disqualified and what disqualified omaye hu say in the GFA status you know article 13 I know one as I then was went to menya correct nipa amana ansama we automatically see we disqualify na yeti ase cause ade a won na akwahye na wo makọ congress akoji atum na ye adwuma then but wasama ne kwan say owa kwan so betima appeal for appeal na appeal for say nti a nipa semase we sign no or sign na the on kan na say say nti no nipa semase we sign and say nti when you never from nipa semase dey early shame because of nti no ana amaya den Zanaba. Eke unu ma me dua mutama na wo discover ye George Free me dua na me hu say eke na hu say na tama na George Free na oye very sure say na kakotoko executives be sanya man that was past we executives no na oye sure say be sanya man and otumfu so ye den ko yi wu san kofo ni fi wo and we go is anko fu nti wo no opem so anko fu de one by no immediately we yi won fe pe no wo sure te koma GFA say san kofo no yere ya they are no more signing for a Sando Kotoko. Won't mean some Kotoko beam. To what I said, no, what me say, Salet and Beba. What me say, Kotoko compare for the Salet and Beba. What about 2 GFA says, Uncle Funa or the direct and I upon Zanama, I don't know. When you can say with me, Sam will be a swati as it. Into what is Salet and Kotum, or to make nice and Uncle Funa Besam, and I am Besam, we now in invoice, went to me then, and some man. And I knew once in a band, what was a man, a racket. And no ABT, a George Free. Because now you very sure say nka hona ko benya ni ye ne nkofo den afi ana nu ambem enti na ko fa asa but again fine why you mistake but say me hu ni say one makwan so nipa ne file case a ne wa file ni case a ade enti na mba so umba so man dey akọ inside na odi abro na odi akoma executives na odi akoma disciplinary committee for na watena asem no so
zigi wo video na abra na George Akwesi Free nkrofo na de appeal no ɛkɔ no ɛkɔ yɛ mentimo ase kakra fato so mame berɛ mu du afi no hɔnom no na de saa video na to so na Facebook for na hu ne ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ yɛtena ha yɛndi ntro ɛbɛma wɔ asɛm no sɛne ɛteɛ nti no sɛ video no wɔ ha na ɔnso no de ato so nti no ɛno ana da so nso dwane live on Facebook a wobɛhu aberɛ a ɔmode response no kɔɛ Ghana Football Association Team George free ɛkɔɛ na akɔyɛ akasakasa kakra no ɛwɔ hɔ no yes ɛno na ɛtwa gu on Facebook no nti zine atoa so
nti no de nti na ɛba saa because yɛyi na yɛnim sɛ Ghana ha na yɛwɔ no ɛyɛ free and fair ɛna freedom of speech nti ne sɛ wama me kwan sɛ menkasa na afei mekasa wo a wama me kwan sɛ menkasa na afei sɛ mekasa nso a wɔsɛ so memene uso memene den na mesi ne akasa debi wo mmoro me nsa mmura me su because wa buru ma wi ama me nsu nti sɛ wa buru ma wi na afei me lisu a wo sɛ sɛ ma menka ma no ntum enti me possible saa because wa na wama me kwan sɛ ɛnɛ na yɛ deadline yɛ wɔ sɛ me de paper ba na ɛnɛ me de paper ba ngɔfo sɛ bɛgyina wo sɛ debi me ma kwan ma nwuram ana pasa o we say apɛ no bi obi ehun say no we ye fair no quality ni wa fa
ani pani bi susu sɛ ni disqualification no boapayo efe na hyɛda
eke say sa nyama ye ko say we ka si ampa because ni awo ye obi we ka si on say enye wo say ni awo bɛyɛ no ama ne na ma ye hu say onipa na awote o say dua no aba no na be hu dua ko enti say ni awo ye say won ti sa ko bi ka say wo te sa because say enye kwa na wo ye na say obi de mede ma de le ba na say won pere mo bi nwure ma won wa bontin they don't know wonim enti ni wo be kan say ye wo you be ku ya be kokora na enye wa asem because disciplinary committee you are not part of it na me get what you say election discipline you are not part of it but wo so na wo ye na ye mpanyin enti say bibia ba na say won kan kokora ye wo be fra because one ye want to to ne ma ye so mu say one person man about there nkan them one chance because on appeal na me go what you say because one person on ba say what the appeal be brem dey a nkan say one man kwan on appeal but one man kwan on appeal automatically on kwan on appeal so what you say enya me bi kwaso ogin fa eke e ya do so dodo e sa mafia work ne do so dodo e no kan na Ghana football yen adwuma no mafia no do so because you say cat ba no my tia say or you free for all or you waba for bia ye na eje ne fa so but ne yakọ so na eke say yes akoye achi because ye sa ne me ya na kwesi na je go ye ne ye kan wo asem saa
tuna position microphone ye mame
ne ye kan wo asem saa eke ye kan wo asem saa e do lesson so no on post na ne nkoya no kọ on post na ne nko ana on post yi wo kan wo asem de daada wo yende ne wo kan yo ket nkrofo wo kan wo asem yende e wo say ket ko on post e wo say e wo na ba kire yen say on ko on post wo na ba ka kire yen ye wo na ba ka kire Ghana fo wo say anfo na kire no ntua so enti say wo anfo ni ye a ye betua so ya ma wo enti enye wo na ba share nse chinchina ye ma nko wo no post ana chinchina ba se wo sheni pa nse ye ma nko wo no post it means enye ma bi nko ye it means I want to turn ma ye e was a Ghana football teams in Nankasa association no wankasa was set up what the other one gege me say eke wo be say na na nwa kwaba na nwa san ba besu no nwa san ba ka chen ye tie ese yen ka bi ma wo but let's move according to sani ya hyehyɛ de pepepe e ye mra kwan so wuli yoni pa na fima uniform wo mra kwan so wo le ma asem wo ye den ele ma asem but wan ye sa na umoma enkofu pa asem hye okoma wo de asem ba hye okon because ne ya wo ye ise wole say wudin but won te sa wole say wudin because o pe bibia ye o pe bibia free and fair o pe say bibia da wo but o nkrofo no so ma okwan ama won ye ne ye wo say wo ye e wo so set up eke e the first time o first time pony na be ko second time akọ third time also be very careful Ghana football enye ne de
all right and in Ghana football yeah can't tell you Simon Kwaku and non can so say Ghana football ne de
e gana na ye say ya wo de ni how stay ya wo ye ya wo de because o mpese obi abegurem se o pese obi begurem an ka wo nye ne awo ye enti makwan na obi ya nwurem makwan ne ye nwurem makwan nipa ho na me adum adu so enti adu so no ye ne yese ne fata ni ye akirima okoi we ajamoya ene wako party ase na niama ekọ so na firi okọwi anamawe na fi water no gwan gidi ogwan fi wo eke afi okwan fi no so ne nua we na kwai we ogwan na kwai nti ogwan ba fi no bu ogwan se nti no ubada ase na waka wo o se na uja wo we chi na nua na waka nti ade a wo beja wo no nua ne yebeka
okay
nti ne waja wo no yebeka nti wo pa de po nya wa de pa ne nka de pa kwasi anya saa na uja wo achi anya na because now no yebo kwasi nya we din a kwasi nya tete din a kwasi nya tete nya ma bebro but yebo din bi ya de na ase din be support na me ka wa di ase but oye niam pa me nka na da oye niam obuya Ghana but now ye nka ni bi ya bi me ye kan ye say we discuss anas expose eyi wo man a wo tua bribe wo ye say no asema na e mo frank ketenketen ya betim. But okay. Never do my penny and for to be a muscle.
Okay. I know I is senior on duty, and so I didn't know. But the elections committee of the Ghana Football Association had a response about at the afar George Akwesi free and in seminar. Okay, you know, and so I want to response now already. I had a toast on Facebook for no, and so no, and na almost only a commo heavy quick now they are toast. As the elections committee's response to George Akwesi Free's request for unedited recording of vetting proceedings and video calls with Leslie Kuku Bartels and Jeffrey Asari. On them, FNA by no somebody disqualified. On my head, I say, I'm more recordings. Actually, say Jeffrey Asari, I confirm me. Sampa on yet director. Adema, a victory, a club. No, yes, some more recordings in the videos. And we should demand this.
Yes.
Samoa.
Me penny a monfa mun sankai.
Or edited. Monfamra. Na yinya
Pe.
And elections committee so the response about. And this is their response. I say, dear sir, let's don't refer to George Akwesi Free, you know. Dear sir, your letter requesting unedited videos of the vetting refers. The content of your letter is well received by the independent GFA elections committee. And the committee wishes to respond as follows. 1. The work, vetting, discussions, deliberations, and processes leading to the decision-making of the elections committee, same as the disciplinary committee, appeals committee, FIFA elections committees, FIFA disciplinary committee, and appeals committee, and panel of the Court of Arbitration for Sports, CAS, are not shared with parties or the public. 2. What is shared with the parties and in some cases with the public is the written decision containing the record of proceedings and decisions on the issues concerned. 3. You will note that the decision of the GFA Elections Committee in your case is extensive and contains the record of proceedings and the grounds on the issues or matters concerned. 4. The videos are made available only to the appellate body when there is any dispute of fact. That's not dispute of law. And if the appellate body, and if the appellate body so orders. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Elections Committee, to George K. Free 2023 KA Presidential Hopeful. That's and also another fresh.
Elections Committee. Elections Committee. No, chairman no. Na hwehwe ni di ma me kakra.
Producer Pedin ma me. GFA Elections Committee chairman.
Menene ni nkomo kakra. Election Committee. GFA Elections Committee chairman. Ehun say yasi we no. Chese we cry 8 years pe. Obedi 8. 4 atwam. 4 na ebe. Eti odi kura na aye 4 years no. GFA president na nya de obeden. Obesan be dibiem. Na wo se woni obi edi nkomo mo wa record wo se wo video. Bibi e kire se nipa ne sese.
One kase and also nipa na confirm.
Yes, wa confirm sese.
Onye director Edema Victory.
Ana mo gina no so e de disqualify ne candidate a ono di ne din ebe hye mu no. Wey na afrim because wo so wo video evidence e kire se nipa no ni ono kan nkomo amoni ni didi ye no nkomo no ene GFM ran enko enti no saa nipa no moyi na afrim ene nipa no bisa saa video ko a elections committee say video no enya available ma nipa no atiefo yentie ni yiyo say ni epese ebo no edu say ekwan say ni epese ebo no ye de fa so ana atiefo mu ne the best judge mo be judge show no ana say ni ekosu ade a wo se efa me ho no wo se me ntumi nya ho video na mo video no ye de be ma election committee ne nko a say bibi asi baabi a omo na betimi a kire say and bibi asi ampa bibi asi ni asi ni say wo se because of that video niti wey eye panyin onu ko ginam ene wa akopre no wey na frim ene enu kra achi wo ma na kwanya say onsan kwa appeal ene panyin ade ko no so eno so wo se macho ma ejina gate ano ye ma ne kwan e ma ne mfa appeal ne nko enti appeal na wo ma na kwanya no krokro de John adanko dada ado ya na adanko dada ado yeke se wo se mema wa kwanya na nsema a ye de atodwa no a fa ho no ko na oni appeal committee enkoka na yama 3 days no weekend ni nyina atwam ene Monday ene last day na se nipa na esan ko file appeal na eno so bodyguards ejina gate ano say appeal na ode ba no ye ma appeal no enye adwuma na say ye ma mfa appeal no emre efe no enti uma na kwanya no
but you know what my yatia say so much ma file appeal no
omatimi afare appeal no but no cry ba akopeke nipa yani ni yedi sa adwuma yi edi no enye nipa ketwa George Akwesi Afriye ye nyina beka the year 2015 George Akwesi Afriye vice president at the Ghana Football Association the year 2015 under President Kwesi Nyantakyi na George na vice George akita di bia bebre wa Africa no edu baby 2017 AFCON organizing committee nyina George na yo mpanyi wa Africa enti enye papa hwe akwa bi sa akwa enti emre bi atwam ni ane epe say football ebetimi ayeye wo hwe ekwan a na enkrofo bi adi football enam so nsamtrofo ye kan ni nyina nkosi aga ne ni animusa nkansa chaba after say ye racket say ono abeji dwumadie no no de and yebeka ya tiefo ma ya adwen enko akire baabi yebeka after second ebedi president ne pe ana ket eri tu dwa say one na tanfo ntumi nya adwuma meboa ket anka okay osi na tanfo one na tanfo ntumi nya adwuma enti as panyin a yayiwa wo ebetwe ye nyina ye bo ye sika teams ya ene yi scan kakra efe no onye adwuma bia o re chema adwuma efe ne ya o sika teams ya na etua dues fines at teams ya fani ono na asefo eno na efe no ede rane ana sika ebe fifa aba ana efe no ede ya adwuma onye adwuma bia eye football people sika ana efe no eyusu enti se ne na se ya hihye mra ede ato se so obi eye mfomso kra o se nipa no yema no ho kwan na sa mfomso no eden osisa no na onya akwanya kogina for election na se we nyina mra we nyina yese yemfa no nyi adwuma na mo yeyi wa afrim na se yema akwanya kra ye de machoman ebe gina gate animu a eno so ebe din ade ama so be wura mpo ede wo apel na akotum ye football ni se ebe yeke ye football ni se ebe ye se obi kan mo obi nka bi sa autocracy ye de run ye football e wo kromu ha so obi ko gina na okopre election pe na akwa se nipa no sabi oyo bonsama na se oyo tanfo no emna so se Ghana football no ye pese ye niema tsenia Africa countries ni bebre a take over football e wa Africa no na o se niema na me di clubs ne ho ya obebreke clubs na bre enso ye congress a no ma akoto age so ye no ma so ra betena fie no ma besu because teams ni sika unisika na obi be bo wa wo se da bi me mpe no me pe ya ne o ma me sika na no a na me di akiri and ye hu Ghana baby ye ball no enam mo bi anada o say Ghana ye ball no enam kwampa so anya no credit because niema makum mienu wei ti say ne ekoso ye nedai eye niema ni bia ama ye ball no aka akire ama ye ball no aka akire se nipa ni ntumi nya adwuma no kra o de chinchina by force e wo say ne terms are 8 years and I say 2 terms no odi ni nyina wa konwa no so ontumi nya adwuma no wa ekwan ya adwuma no nam so no enya de ekoyie adwuma no chesa ayese ka ekodichi no but still ofo so a say yento abama no ana say obewiem sebe obewiem na ono abe president no e wo so bia nya equal grounds ye ball no enye obakofo dia GF akonwa no enye obakofo dia
my friend edin na bema afina kase request akwese free team no make here say the unedited videos amoka say afina ka so wo no omo sanka no edin na bema afina kase omo the status say emrano ohwe Juma say the work vetting, discussions, deliberations, and processes leading to the elections, the elections committee, appeals committee, FIFA elections committees, FIFA disciplinary committee, and appeals committee, committee and panel of the Court of Arbitration for Sports are not shared with parties or the public. So say Juma FNA elections committee FIFA and the disciplinary committee no say Juma ni nyanya ade omode to abonten ama public no enso no etumi ehu
eno ena ama ye mu bi no ya dwen esi ade ba eke obeka ya be say before say this decision cry be ba out no na enenam from am say George dear kan kan krofo bi awe ata so say George omo man mpre akonwa no this time no because they see say George threat at the moment omo say George akọ elections owo ekwan bi obetimi afa so win elections because 2015 George wo Ghana football mu no vice president wo Ghana hanum ya gudie mu enti George wo nkrofo wo efi ho no ma say e basa about to say na e boy yi aba fam yi a ye kan yi a mese mo bi anada say Ghana football ye ball no ye papa no kra ba ko pe ye ball no enko yie ye Ghana football ye ball no ba bi adu no still eniema enko yie enti nienti e be ma efe ne be prevent George say o mbenya video ne say bia bibi wo ba bi o mo di sie eye George no yes omo di BBC because say nya dia wo di BBC just video call and answer WhatsApp call provide ade no manipa no ono ankotie nkoma mo ne rep no edi ye o ti ase enkomo no fa video no emomo video no e wasa mo nsaka na video e wasa mo nsaka wo se ne dabi enya de odi video no be ma George Nkrofo no enti ensam na wo ka no on be dan wus ampa no crest say ena minipa no nipa no osan ma me na wagina so e de yi mafiri mu no nipa no e ka asasam na ampa because evidence no wonko na okita obakofo say obakofo enti I think say e was say omoma George kwan
no contest
na bibia timi ko yie
okay
because ye nyina anim last 2 years last 4 years ye fan say 4 years and I said 3 years na kakra ni one panyi ya na ekoye bibia ko yie e ma ye to awa mienu say ket una wa wi ni aba no ene osan ba biem mane nkɔyɛ sɛ wakɔ dane ɔbonsam ɛde ama mane kwan na ɔno mbɛgyina bi na football fo nkɔyi ni ɔmani ɛgye sɛ ɔbɛyɛ adwuma no because on ball na ɛkɔyi a na sɛ niema akɔyi a sɛ referees for niema ɛkɔyi a match commissioners yɛtuom ka yi a sɛ impo ɔmo yɛ adwuma de ma FA no anasa ɔmo tumi sɛ ɔmo to aba ne bi ɔmo nyinaa katua ne kɔyi a eke ɔmbɛsan to aba de ama oket enti makwan we wone George nkwa e nipa mienu pɛ enye miensa enti makwan na George enko gina na ɔno nso yanto ne so aba so ɔno na ebedi o sɛ na ebedi o
okay
and many age sɛ George team no nso enne ɔmode appeal ne koye no ekwan yan nam so emu ye den a nanka ye prevent so bewura mu po still ɔmo insist ama nyame adom ɔmo nya akwanya ye hwɛ nim and FA no enka hu sɛ emra ɔmode ya football no enya de ɔmo nam kwampa so because ye hu bebre ama ɔmode call eye cars ne na asefo no nyinaa winning cases no enti yembisa o ye hu sɛ emra papa ben ne wan ne ade adwuma okromu a ana ye adwuma de favor ovi sɛ disciplinary committee a ye adwuma no ade favor obi ana sɛ ye appeals committee wo kromu ha ana sɛ Ghana ye football no mu a adwuma no ye de ama obi ana wo sɛ ye adwuma no ye de mra na ye de adwuma da nyinaa no eno ye adwuma because asem bi obefi Ghana ye bɔ mu edi adu cars asem no edane na nsa yi a ye beka ya Ashanti Gold ensem ekobaye say ya bande Ash Gold ye yi omafi Ghana football mu players a ewo Ash Gold enso ye bande omu nyina but ensem no ekọ cars no ene saa ya dane ni nyina say players no ewo so omu nya akonya na omu kosi akan na omu nya boni bia enti mana ben ene ye de ya adwuma okromu a eke
I know about first and so at the end or the atumo and so no at me at the Barmamin Car say Uremu Europa, the European qualifiers no and so now Koso, the European qualifiers and Koso Armenia at now Croatia sent by 1-0 and the Sicilian can say Iceland 0, Bosnia and Herzegovina 0 into the more and also and on Latvia 0, Wales 1 and about 87 minutes. Sansona Slovakia 3, Liechtenstein and so no 0. Portugal 8. My friend Luxembourg 0. Portugal 8. Luxembourg 0. Now players now she goes in the Bruno Fernandes Ashabako, Diogo Jota Ashemi, Abrante Horta Ashabako, Congalo Ramos Ashemi, now Finsunum Aquada, your friend and your Congalo Inacio. Aronsono etimi ashemi into Portugal 8-2 8-0 yabo 85 minutes and so it was that game with Ronaldo and me am Mobi inti anonso na washen so area mame and so no but over the weekend Ghana football awards na so after the awards no en sembebiri efifimo and so no eba and so no ewo na ebima kasa say as a Black Star players they go pie mu ade na se no I say, I'm going to respect it. Your league, you know. I'm going to be a league, you know. Because dressing on the core, yeah. If you want to chalwote, I say, shorts and then just top. And I'm going to call you. As a man, move your league, in your league, you know, boom, my league, you know. Because we're made in addition. In time campaign for handlers of the Black Star team, you know. And I mean, you shadow mom, your team managers, you know. And come on, with some players, and if you come and see about football awards now, Mom dress it decently. Don't to me such a lot of fan awards. And I say yellow car a year awards in Tino. And I'm more yanisana. I'm on for any abre. Eddie I found. Say I said disrespect on our local a year league, you know. A yard awesome. Not even a Black Stars now. I'm about disrespect your league, you know. It's a man for and so no count NCMP and so now. But friend, me is what it is answer, no.
Okay, I think that Matiti Bia and I don't know any you so account some do because born now we in the kromu ha no say wa born no when he edge born ho na sɛ wobu bɔɔl na anka nyɛ sɛ na ɛbɛbam wote ase nti wohwɛ ɛkwan a mpanyinfoɔ ɛfa so ɛra ne yɛ bɔɔl ɛwɔ kurom ha yɛaka ho asɛm abere ne abere nyinaa yɛte afidikɛse yi so ɛka ho asɛm no I think sɛ mmra so sɛ mpanyinfoɔ bɛhu sampa yɛ bɔɔl no ɛnyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ade ketewa because Ghana Premier League Ghana nyinaa yɛ bɔɔl na sɛ yɛyɛ awards kɛseɛ wɔ kurom ha na yɛ invite Black Star players ɛwɔ kurom ha na sɛ yɛ invite ɔmo na sɛ mpanyinfoɔ yɛntumi antoto nneɛma yie na sɛ nnɛ akɔyɛ nimguase de ama ya and looking at ɛkwan a awards no kora ɛnam so ɛbaayɛ ne ho nneɛma ayɛ sɛ ebinom favor ebinom yɛ ebinom favor wahu enti I think say mpanyinfoɔ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo tutu nneɛma yie and on the side of the Black Star players no they should have known better what you say fine you born and nko yie you ti ase esa ase nko yie but you go see ehyehyɛ ba but as a Black Star player wa ku pia manone wa ba kromu I how na ofi na akwa na so wo mfie akra ene wo si aka de ma Ghana the whole country nyina Ghana and your league kese Premier League no your second ayi MTN FA Cup na se ne ye kwaya awards na as a Black Star player na o pa kire me say dressing obetimi address nyina de akọ ya awards ase award a enam biase afa na nyina television akese nyina eyi awards yi na say Black Star player dressing a wo de kọ awards yi ase ama Ghana ase ball na yeye wo kromu ha no enye ade e wo se kra
yes players ni bigina no mbo afukura say ye penta wa koda mo de abetena
yes I say by force bi they are not willing oti ase enye mo person mo beba awards no but akwese mo ba kromu anti by force a chenchene yenso omu nkogu eye baby ayeye awards yi oti ase no ne e kan say abiri nyina no se panyu ubu like ubu nwa yes now tutu niema yi a eya abofra kuma e de buo nso be den ebe mawo oti ase but akwese Ghana hanom no ya football no enkofo bia yensa asem agapade bi enti ni omo pe na omo ye ball no eno ebi so aba na aso na anu yi a players ne bo afu say omo nya omo adwen so omo ba awards yi na akoso omo de agu ye kan say auditorium on mo a because of Ghana football ye be awards na nka ne papa mu a enye say omo ba ye kura na e wo say ye to omo nkra oti ase say awards say ba so e wo say invitation ne kwa ni nyina players ni so e da say ye bo e game ni nwia eye da kwasi ada ye bo wia ana say da ye be bo e game ni ye wia ne benada so ana say
ne da say no the game was on Thursday and I was no ba so Saturday it's in a day preparation no man to man yenti a mo de
ebia yanto om nkra say ye hiom awards na say because e yade anka beboa as players at the whole country a national team na say ye awards e de ama ye Premier League and na say ye MTN FA Cup na ye be hia these players na ebia omu nkra hwesem bi e de ma young ones na e ba no what you say enti moto om nkra ntem amo mu hu say ampa ya was say yenso ya prepare for this event anka eno no ba akwa say o so ana nkra ne kwa ya ntutu ne ma ye so I think say nearby na was say fans about players no so e was say o mo hwe ne ma ye because ye dia ani ye dia na nkwa ye dia but ye dia ani enti dressing o mo de be kwa abrofo ne dia na ase no e was say sa pepepe ono omo so omo ye de mai en fam say enkana mantem but Ghana Premier League Ghana awards Ghana football awards en ye no enti na wo say omo so ehwe ne ma yi but empanfo ne de eki ye be kwaso aka ye nya da ye be kan until say on be ne ye no ye nya aka ye be kan ball na ekoyi a ye nyina eye man emiri bi atwam a ye teams ekọ Africa ekọ konka Africa anasa ekọ bom modern wa Africa no ye nyina ye ni je ye bo Ghana din e de kan enti se enne ye ntimi nkọ Africa biem enkobo modern e wo ho no ma and your national team kra so the same thing enne yintimi nkoye hwe countries like Comoros no near yinum Madagascar no kra yintumi omu wo Africa ha na eke ni ebo na ekosen enti mpanfo ntutu niam ayi
okay ani about fresh on Ghana Football Awards no Zuba yes Black Star players ya chalwete ni ade kra ana mo share ndama mamfo dwaze yeah professional players mo ko awards chalwete ni nika ni Jesse top bi no da aso mo mbu ya awards no mo mbu ya league no mo mbu ya local players no kra Zuba Zwani
Suba ye be hwe nyama mienu but dey from vache na ye pese nya one or two peniful but Suba omji tum so ne be din kobo but ye pem so bia network na ya
Roma network say unim say ni
ya pem ya fra alaji be say 50 times alaji ye call so alaji mpeke call no alaji dey call but on peke because ono jitum so ne be din kobo about
on the player na asem
na the player na asem because ye dey call
yes
and before the call players a status committee
yes
and the unipa friends are on peke call Salam Yakubu so line enko enko ne be say ne lawyer din kobo but ye ne your friend lawyer ne we chi no lawyer din say via to ja di ochena oh yes ochena lawyer say obeja to
din komo but
Black Stars no so ba ye be hwe ni no and before inform Black Stars team they say I was 91 more and I say woman o man kan chro mo edu the last day and ye catch am so nyame adoma me nenda ukopima ye ya was inti mo form onim de beti chiri and I say ye catch am da say after say Black Stars both game against Central Africa Republica omba be piem e wa say na so be piem wa say but if some pin for catch am on time and so man kan chro on time kra as professional footballers no at least more call an event ewa manania they be omu looki obeka say suitable omu looki palatable because omu pese awards no mo na manfo say okay ososo and so wono efi Ghana or Japan yesia kind ma ososo and so team no oba awards na say the dressing outfits no very superb but but ugo pm our Ghana say ya as I say awards tra it seems like in Pinifan country Krana Okwa was bisa also looking so succulicious. One player me who addressing an army near Jia Brantali do say do. Oshali do say do. At least no, the outfit was very good. Wari a yes was covered in the boot. Now Uche Hawa Ali do say do esa. One player like Abdul Fattah Ishaku no sexuality to be frank. Yes. Alu do sa no or no sexuality. So it tells you say if some Pinifan country Krana Samoko awards nighter. I'm on a name sometimes cry invitational about late but almost come looking so special looking so presentable looking so palatable which means almost per se at least no call events last year I'm off be mabaso but Ghana say seems like one in Pinifan country them two almost shada nyawe but if on Pinifan country them nyawe more call big events will come also looking so presentable it is super hani ha ye hwe ha
players ni bu afu asem paying for how my dream what you have trying na yeah
but
ebi mu sorry pie okra ko gina want
obepie because they were not informed that this after Black Stars game they will be going to an event and also betimi akoko she on be grace occasion kama at least mo ko event no Musa Alexander Juku or present money to one a year player wono discovery of the year or something no present this car at least a show be say okay anya me a young player me so hey my Black Stars player Abrante Alexander Juku we cheer me o and crown the achievement and say at least Robert Kai say on so the performance are order the dino dama biano so otimi bobo no body ya some years to come on so Black Stars oba gina ha obetimi am obi award. It's in your super Niniano encouragement to your young ones never no, but who to be blaming players may blame, but who blame you no blaming the management and also we blaming and your Black Stars
team manager.
Also be blaming now also blaming you.
Professor Chere said no nim say ono being a team manager no and can plan some of the players and be few Kumasi ban grind. I'm on the uram our year Ghana Football Awards and Asiana.
Super, I'm sure they are aware. On board game no Thursday.
Yes.
Omi fi Kumasi EBPM Friday. Friday no me recovery training.
Entina dia entina. Omo entima 100 decent am fan wura mu award no. Mugasie.
So which means super and make a awards no almost should value that awards no and should almost value no let me put it like that way almost value awards no if the super common value awards na and come lose so decent some of the players in quote yes I mean can say players in there some of the players me one player me who say now only so decent ya brand lady say do and I can say this player brand and then ya j now how yes it's very good. Other players here who almost said those kind of challenge and guys I'm saying you but going to an awards a year show TV so be a shebe and Tiazumi say who play and your fro now say co-presenting a year award former DJ Donzia now who say challenge was it AM go say to the Ghana Football Association Obekas it's so horrible it's so terrible too you can't do this in Ghana. But so come on here. Super sorry to say I am brofo ke Italy come brofo event Charlie we look at the center me ye Sundays we kroma is the Ghana Football Association dey fe am the shadow Islamo Black Stars na yakasa mo ya munye ni yo munya appointment na mo fan to be here da enka se betena ye bu obi echi but adena mo ye no se mo ye na se fa ye be ka Black Stars really down that ya bomba baso at least Queens kakra no kofio mo dey ashamata so and he says they are to book inverter yes na mo ntom wase na mo hwe how players ni be looki na eno so etumi abante super you be blame management no you be blame Black Stars team no the parkour down no the management also hwe na we dia etotoye no no you blame no the super eno den koba kra no so ye yasa the super no the Black Stars no the outfit was very bad last week Saturday.
Okay, I know super idea no na news coming in. Baba Hamidu Musa etima joining Summertex and so no our last season no see a kind of Maskai FC. Abranti share 20 goals at the Maskai FC. I also wuram our year Summertex to kwa see a kind and so no etimi the Summertex team no nti anonso no nkomo no senior Esifa and so etia Portugal game no abana we nti Portugal 9 Luxembourg 0. Portugal 9 Luxembourg 0 nti anonso na washe no so and so no edia Zuba ku abo asma lampa se minchi a nti no ya na wa friend na ye we chiri bia na kanti anonso anono ba ma mbie four lines so no na oba wa be kan wa dwen aba kire wa dwen nya tem didi kire wa dwen aba fa George Akwesi free anonso ne nsam no enho 0551667755 0551667755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and over to me as well for WhatsApp 0205818748 0205818748 and you may have to say our good year some ye wuram na fin so yet me nkomo awodo no and so no etumi ade abro ma men ka so one expert ekuraimu sansona eye tontina 74 afi vina water omunyana so ekuraimu de den ya yenso ye de nsem awodo no enso eba ewo show no enso eso na Echina Black Stars sigina kono Echina Black Stars will game against Liberia. Na Liberia team na ba be drew. Oma ba be drew. Na Echina no 4 p.m. Ghana time. 4 p.m. Ghana time. Enti no o ma onza so no na ya ni wedding. Enti 4 p.m. Ghana time. Anya mbo game no enso no ebeba so na ko ready e betena se. Na afin so yetimi the live commentary e dey bro. And so no jumedi no and so asunti o man so krama so kwa gebetuma say adwenti no I don't know channel 4 p.m. yeah the live commentary and so no ebeba mema power fresh edi nkomo kakra e dey afa sa game no and so no 0551667755 0551667755 0270 191 971 now just say George Akwesi free disqualification and appeal on also the atomuno and also no ultimately and wajin chaba China Ghana and in Liberia and so no our international friend in na super bia and afa and they so ba we journalist na about our station I na fi ma manager intro letter don't sign it. Now, crack and work on San Saquada. Any school fees are sharing Sano. Now, just a word to my call. And so, no, I'll shake give me be. I'm calling man. So, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Fire.
Yeah, good evening.
Fire, good evening. Bibi, I will call you.
Yami Adu, Namu today.
Yami Adu, Bibi, I come out. My deal.
Ghana football, in your way, this one. Say, Mr. George contestant, Obelusu election into Queen of Peso Fasuna, or you need to day. Obey in a way, nephew. Said that for you, Ghana football, I say, if you know Baby, one we saw Baby, you are man of one. And then, here today, yeah, in Canada.
Okay. Okay. And also, any fire there, and also at me, Adiaba. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good evening, Bacho. Dini baby, Afrifi.
Me didn't the Oku Francis. The love from Lampard.
Lampard. You find BBI come up.
BBI come on. Me Monica show no fa.
Fantastic.
We have sports today. Me PM TN sa. Me ready with your commander.
Fantastic. I mean, shit. My into when you ready.
Oh, me disqualification now. Disqualify. Me how me. Because who can follow forms here? Mistake will disqualify. I say we continue now, because who would lose case will appeal with this small committee. Now the appeal every time hold. You actually never be as good case here or Kawama reference. So how many years I see me could do work as a nearby? I bought the craft also. And so still when I say when I was way ruling. You see, I good no. Now some no quarter, ever caught, never. It's me a family clear. And calculate, some markets 4 years in count. Now, calling 2nd term near share, you have to be to my. Because if you president to cry at Ghana, cry, and Yama 8 years. It's your consumer 4 years in count. Don't call Vanco. Who we get over career, we have to make a cancer when we disqualify. Now we are vice president in my question entity. You win your mail course. With me, no one I love, and you're marrying now, baby. It's an end. I come with the Antiema. We also 4 years in San Count. They are just no Ghana football because they are born after normalization. Yemen, then a coordinate. Children are always scattered in football. Jaggers are saying, confidence, and confidence, and I am mistake. The master players in as well as I can say. It's not going what be. When I say Ghana last time we try to stop and down, Nanka won't play the footballers. But one can't answer on you be in Chanka Wallopano, no one wants to try to the number more compass, no I say, no address of fire, no other no, but we Jawanga. Ubia Bayope. When you say management, let's say one person, no one sees in Yamay. Number Boko to Kopon Shabba, so say, by leaving one. Yanyo. Then I have to be intimate again.
All right, Lampard. Yes, yeah, that's so. China be ura mashe kotoko issues, you know. 0551 667755 0551 667755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 0205 818 748 0205 818 748. Nina so beti ma fraba na edin komo ba friends China Ghana and Liberia. International friendly.
I think so. Coming Kwanka that game no nanke ni say anka eba so cry because you know him of nowadays players a prepara and is ya benya qualification area nanke was say guys no no mko clubs no mko see aka mko to aso na ye try World Cup qualifiers na betimi aba so na say can 2024 beba so e Ivory Coast no ye preparation towards but in playing for nya share that and share game and I think say was say ma guys nya BNC akan e wo games no mo okay
na me fa call line to so hello
hello Eddie Martin baby
fire
Now, I think the election committee, say we as of the forms. What were 2 days? I want to say information who paper now the buying, who phones are the buying from source. Na Ntianka George
fire
mo letino mo ntia letino na wa ba vet na wie na actually mo dia be unqualified because nipa baako nipa say wo fill forms na kura wo 5 or yes 6 nti se baako na anyi ya de nti na 5 na aka na eyegu okay no mo koso disqualify ni si onipa baako na went to me I unqualified na why or sign nti mo disqualify no mafia work na wugo na wayen mafia work na wugo echo awaye because George contest here obi di no hands down into one person of the contest no cry.
Okay. All right. And see fire. And so I don't know fire. And now say you may na koto kwa sama sana okay. I know can say na. Bibia. Alright. Come about the channel game no. Referee fi Togo. And obedi referee and the and so na de Atiogbe Komla Aticho ono ana anonso no ebedi sa game no. Mami fa call hello.
Okay. Yo, I will have fun. Maybe fire some kakla. Right. Wait. Oh, may attack me the sun as some kakla.
Me too.
The party will say who could put positive there. Who won't cooperate our war. And he said, who can fill forms to be here. Says I would express uncle putting and send our president Tacoma and cooperate our Vetemono. Inti George of a and say, name Cropona watching and woman who say, mistake this after pass and our president my Israel committee way for no, appeal committee for no. Well, next time we look at it, who's the woman I won't have a Vetemono. When you open another album, no other share, no 20 mistake at all. Into one Cropona is a 1.2 mistake, that's a mistake. Into one of other veterans, into one mistake, I was not quite here. Into a second Cropona do waiting. I think what you quality mistake say yes, I do here for better question one and I was very disqualifying. It's mistake the other than a fee. Only in the name of our forms no way, no one way is a mistake, you know.
Okay.
What checking forms and washing when say mistake, Uma. Only another veteran, no, say, me, another correct rule. Would not have an old film, not the upper more questions. It is a way near also. Now, doctor say, we don't know why you're not mistake because I'm from Toa. Or what did you say? Because on a common person will be working and why you mistake. And to go for a war on the way mistake. If you present committee from the one thing in country, Jena Coaching not a father. Oh, miss that time. Okay. Go for no one I mistake. Right. Your problem, you can blame on your microphone. Or some blame vetting committee for the say, when I said that I see because I'm going for a war on 1 or 2 for. One watch it on a mistake there about why.
All right, Lampard. You may answer. Yeah, now see. Brenna Swintino. I will say, yeah, corner. Bantan. I try game no. Referee from Togo. Atiogbe. Aye, Koblan. Aye, Aticho. No, Anna. Ebedi game from Togo. The China is yeah. But you say players omunya bimbo no. Call up omunya bimbo. Ransford. Yeah, work on his door for more. Brante Aminu. Media money. Jonathan so ya Bobi you they are Richard for that pool my good because they pool be and see them in them
when your match bia Mohammed Abo match am plan kwa Dabi Zuba me coach just simple Richard Ofori no ball Abrante left back here obedwan media ma left back here Aminu no abono. Wape akwai Joseph Edu on your body are okay with that. Alexander you could not na bench baby. One Pepe boy CB almost
Nicolas Opokunumu.
Odi sense of friend on Mobie. Odi na ba be
German boy. Say Ambrosius kra.
Stefan Ambrosius so ba be bono.
Yokobo right back ibi o yade kra ni Angola yi. So a German boy. On sa boy no.
We nya Paifa we o.
Ono a
Patrick Paifa.
Ono kra man gba.
Yo.
Ah, dem finfo na jaw magum.
That's all.
Na donom.
Ombo. Baba Edisu ombo.
It transfer your boy twen ball kra.
Super. Yanya down your ball friendly game obem 1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute to say na obem. Oba na dey additional 3 to so 4 minutes abebo bi. Na 9 kra nka ball back. Zuba wa china na game ya ko sa kudus ma abebo ni be pro bi keke. Da bi. Just friendly game keke. Zuba yanka chetie for say yaba ya adisua enye ntokwa da bi. Staya Lampard ne fire omo Kante very good. Na fire friend no akata no esa adwen situation na we twena adwen enka kranka nye gidigidi da bi nti e ba se ebesua ade.
Okay.
Ami adom chena betu aso.
All right, ami adom chena e beba na ya to aso na Starboy message or the buy no or say he's enjoying the show live from from Mim Airport in the Starboy. There's no
Starboy wow.
Yeah. Yes, you're heavy.
I have meme.
Yes.
Airport.
Yeah,
I have meme airport.
Open an airport.
Na Starboy I have planes no to do airport fasa. Watch baby planes ni bi and nam na ya hu ni e be ho because I have meme there. I have any ABC airport and so there. No am here Starboy ye chia we na yimre.
Okay, I know so Ziggy mama your birthday na me nkona anyumre nyina about for the birthday say na me sa suba anya zu anadwi nyina about for the birthday
anadwi suba birthday from anaba abona yo
ochina dia na say eba na wi ana anyumre ya
na American tino say me ye
okay all the omo awiam no mo de omo no pani awiam anti
we akora we so akora ni 5 years until Ziggy dey na to so akora no guys are no anti no Lily Ann Namwa ane opete we if you want to nana kunadu I say always show happy birthday na Lily mo US Marshall set there's a woman US in
Massachusetts
Massachusetts sana watch you and then one journey
we channel shot
Massachusetts and me and here me man na said I try and sana maka no and Massachusetts there's one of the free happy birthday Lily Ann Namwa and when you're 5 years if you auntie and anakuna do so happy birthday na me sha baby na onye okese utem enso no our US of A Massachusetts ho ana tema onso no udi birthday in 5 years no na me shira so na oma onye kese pa ho nti auntie na anakuna do so happy birthday nti no me ken those aye no so ni won back a oye nti ano so no nti Lily won fe mo ko Facebook for no e bona ba so na dia say no guy no on the brown guy nti no gaba panti ano so 5 years old na wedi eche baba na ya tu ma 5 years in America adwe no waka na so hwe ha no kra aka na so hwe ha no akora hwe ha no aka abwa white ya ti kroma ya nipa brem sa
baby we be more than 20 years in do kan ya nje be da na bibi be ha no o ti ase ohun sum da
the barista no me abiodin ye ma to amara
ohun sum da baby o
no ezigi fan
o ti ase fitama ye wo no ohun sum da
na 5 years we kroba
and I don't kan ya no anajo ana pa nyina na kan ya ni no
wo etimi duma ama ya
bia mi hu ya na eza akora ya wo no foforo na akora na din baby na eze maza wakata na eze maza tuweni na oga na ni oga sisa ari
mama edum la ta ma baby a president te kra edum kan
suba go Facebook na akora na so kama
oh guy pa no offer
Unya Robem
environment ni ye
suba ochira na pebati na from 10 to 12
yes until no I'm for channel so say an opera 10 to 12
10 to 12 7 to 9 it is
you know yabeko na yenda Vena Waters sound so na one expert and I think so T74 ɔmo nso no yɛn da ɔmo ase papa so ɔmo so yɛ mu ɛbaa team no nso no yɛn da ɔmo ase ɛyɛ Zagari producer era Kwaku Boateng Nana Kofi Okore Agyeman Gideon Into san so na yɛ the boy Ziggy MCR DJ Weda mutem ɛwɔ hɔ na ɔdamia Estamo san so na ɛyɛ DJ Donzi nso na tem kakra wa yɛ sɔre so ɔde nnwoma to so Papa the Fresh otenka san so na senior on duty afei the writer commentator Solomon Beidu and so woman Brown am say come no gina nyina o buza na dia wi e wa kwedidi wadua no na kwedidi ntirobesiro enti ono so boy madwumadi no ekosuma am fresh show no live no nyina nyame enka mo nyame bo a channel pa 10 am to 12 pm betena say sanso na nwumre aye 7 to 9 on aye Tutujagu Sports no so no ye pa na aka adwen kama na say bibia enso no atima kama medin Eric Kelvin amponsa edi nyame bo a echa beba na afin so ne aka no atumi atoa so. Good evening.